Na my Mercedes Sprinter Benz wey I don enter. I dey comot. I dey go somewhere. So guys, take care of yourself. Now I say my demare am. But I go enter this my new Mercedes Benz baby. Say my dey go out. Since I come back for Africa na today na. I say my climb, so my drive. Because as I come, I no be fit find. So guys, on the highway going, driving, going. Yes, so guys, I dey travel. No. Before you know it, I don't reach where they go. I'm just going. The stoplight, I don't stand, I dey wait. Nah. And so my people, see me, they enjoy the driving. My brother, my sister, driving sweet. Oh, if you know, if you get the permit, you get everything. What you they wait? You wait they out there. What are you waiting? Some of you are just afraid. Some of you have the permit, but you don't want to use it. You are afraid. See one why they touch her now. You remember I go carry Pualu, that trailer. And that one I go drive and small time trailer because I like my dream. So my people, watch the video as Sprinter the travel now. Sprinter the waka, they go walk. They go walk. I walk with this so what person go do safe. Yes, so the jacket too. I forget I no move jacket for free. Now I see my body they make chaka. Wow. So now we just the waka for roads. Going. There was no hold up. My people, it's good to have driving license, whether home and abroad. Especially for abroad here. If you dey for there every day, say you go enter train, you go enter. Sunday you go need motor. Una keep that thing, una lie. Una go dey say, I get train for corner of my house. But now when you dey go some side or part to your pikin, now you go know say motor be very important. Okay, let's go. No one go.